Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G14. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.5 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 85.5% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 405 ppi. Pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with Panda glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T616 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB. Dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.46 by 73.82 by 7.99 mm, and it weighs around 177 grams. The color options: steel gray, pale lilac, buttercream, sky blue, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, water-repellent design for water protection, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G14 has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at around $136 and expected 37,999 Pakistani rupees, and 9,130 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G14 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.